Our brush heads are crafted with charcoal bristles that eliminate surface stains while still deeply cleansing the teeth. The soft, rounded bristles have been specifically designed to scrub away stains while also providing protection against gum erosion. Specifically tailored for all electric brushes, our replaceable toothbrush heads are designed to efficiently remove plaque from teeth. It is ideal for deep cleaning in those tight spaces between teeth that dental floss may not be able to reach. Plus, they are both cost-efficient and reusable. Among the most widely known contributors to discolored or yellow teeth are tea, coffee, red wine, and smoking. Using our charcoal toothbrush, plaque and tannins can be eliminated, and the bacteria that lead to unpleasant breath can be eliminated. At Rinse Essentials UK, you can find an excellent charcoal toothbrush head that will provide thorough cleaning and keep your breath smelling great. Thanks for watching.